A young woman walks into a clinic. She's greeted not by a doctor, but by a screen. The AI scans her eyes, listens to her voice, checks her vitals, and gives a diagnosis in under 2 minutes. No waiting room. No human contact. No hesitation. It's fast. It's precise. But it raises a terrifying question. Will AI replace human doctors? Today, we uncover the truth, not the headlines, not the hype, but the reality of what's coming next in medicine. Let's start with the facts. AI is already diagnosing diseases more accurately than many doctors. It can detect breast cancer in mammograms with higher accuracy than top radiologists. It reads MRIs in seconds. It flags heart failure risks from smartwatches before symptoms even show. It never gets tired. It never overlooks symptoms. It doesn't need a lunch break. It just works. But here's the truth no one tells you. AI doesn't think. It doesn't feel. It doesn't comfort a scared child. It doesn't look a dying patient in the eye and say, "I'm here." It knows patterns, not people. Data, not emotions. And medicine is still deeply human. Even the most powerful AI lacks empathy, ethics, and the ability to make judgment calls in gray areas. That's not a limitation, that's a deal breaker. So will AI replace doctors? No. But it will change what doctors do, forever. AI will handle the data, the scans, the early warnings, and doctors. They'll do what machines can't: connect, comfort, decide, lead. It's not man versus machine. It's man with machine. The AI doesn't replace the doctor. It amplifies them. But this partnership isn't perfect. If AI is trained on biased data, it can make dangerous decisions. If no one's watching the algorithm, who takes the blame when it fails? Doctors of the future won't just need medical degrees, they'll need to understand AI. Because trusting the machine blindly could cost lives. AI is not here to take your doctor's job. It's here to give your doctor superpowers. The best care won't come from humans or machines, but from both, working together. The AI revolution in medicine is just beginning. If this opened your eyes, imagine what's coming next. Subscribe for more deep dives into tech, truth, and the future of being human. And tell us in the comments, would you trust an AI with your health?